In this video, I'm going to show you how to color duplicates in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here the list of alphabet from letters A up to letter Z. But if you would observe after letter Z, we have here letters A, B, C, D, E repeated. At the end of this video, this cell 27 up to cell A31 should be colored as this is duplicates of cell A1 up to cell 5. So to do this, we'll be utilizing conditional formatting. So the first thing that you would like to do is to simply select and highlight those cell range that are involved in the action. After selecting and highlighting, in the menu navigation, simply go to Format, and in Format, go to Conditional Formatting. In this form in here, you will input the details about the conditional formatting as well as the condition. So to do this, in the Format rows in here, Format cells if, simply scroll down and up to the last option, click Custom Formula S. In here, on the text box for this, you input the following formula. We'll be using COUNTIF, parenthesis, $, then A, $, then A1, since A1 is the first cell in the cell range, then colon, $, again, A, $, again, then input 31 since 31 is the last cell in the range, then comma, simply input A1, then close the parenthesis, then do a greater than sign, then click 1. After this, you can simply select the color in here. Let's say we'll be using yellow, then click done. As you can see in here, after successfully adding the conditional format, letters A, B, C, D, E, and A, B, C, D, E as well is now repeated or colored. If we would change this to letter A, this will automatically colored again since this is a duplicate. Change this to letter G, this will color as well since there are duplicates, or change this to letter H, which means that every time we add a duplicate, the row will be colored. And that's about it. That's how to color duplicates in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.